Hi, I'm Spinach. Don't put me on top. I dry out fast. That's better.
Hi, I'm Apple. I release gas. Keep me away from veggies.
Hi, I'm Milk. Don't keep me in the door. It's too warm. Ah, much better.
Hi, I'm Broccoli. Don't seal me tight. I need air.
Store food right. Stay fresh and healthy.